Ever had a SaaS idea that sounds profitable, but dies the moment you think about hiring a full startup team, wiring a backend, and figuring out payments? What if you could take an idea, validate it, build a real backend, and launch a revenue-generating SaaS without assembling product managers, architects, and engineers yourself? Today, we're doing exactly that. We're building DevHire, a production-ready SaaS job board for web developers where employers pay real money to post jobs, and developers can browse and apply. This isn't a demo. This is a live business with Stripe payments, authentication, a database, and an admin system. And instead of building everything manually, we're using Atoms, formerly MetaGPTX or MGX, a full vibe business team made of AI agents that replace an entire startup team. Product managers, architects, engineers, researchers, all working together to turn an idea into a real, monetizable product. If you've ever wanted to turn ideas into revenue, this is exactly how it's done. First, let's start by heading to atoms.dev. Here's the prompt we'll use. Build a revenue-ready SaaS job board for web developers called DevHire, using React and Supabase. Start by validating the idea with deep research. Analyze market demand, competitors, and pricing models. Then define the right MVP before building anything. Use a full multi-agent workflow to design the product, architecture, and implementation, and generate a complete application with user authentication, a structured jobs database, and a Stripe payment flow that requires employers to pay before publishing job listings. Include a working admin panel to manage users, jobs, and payments. Deploy the app to a live domain and make sure everything is fully connected and production ready. Finally, use the SEO agent to generate indexable job pages and supporting content so the site can attract organic traffic and generate revenue immediately. Make sure deep research is enabled. Then connect Supabase and Stripe from the settings. It's wiring up a real backend, auth, database, admin controls, and payments. Once that's done, hit enter. This is where Atoms really behaves like a business team. Iris, our deep research agent, starts by validating the idea before anything is built. She analyzes the web developer job market, competitor platforms, employer pain points, pricing strategies, and demand. She doesn't just summarize. She produces a full product requirements document with market validation, revenue models, pricing recommendations, SEO and content strategies, feature prioritization. This ensures we're not just building an app. We're building something people will actually pay for. Once research is approved, Mike, the team lead, assigns work across the Vibe business team. Emma, the product manager, converts the research into concrete pages, flows, and features. Bob, the AI architect, designs the full system architecture, how authentication works, how jobs are stored, how payments connect to publishing listings, and how the admin panel controls everything. This is the Atoms backend in action, the system that powers auth, database, admin, and payments, not a front-end only demo. Then Alex, the engineer, builds the full application in React using that architecture. And just like that, we have DevHire, live and fully functional. On the homepage, employers immediately see pricing and a clear CTA to post a job. Developers can browse jobs, filter by role, location, or remote, and click into detailed listings with requirements, tech stack, and benefits. Now let's switch to the employer side and post a job. First, we create an employer account, then we fill in the job details. And once everything looks good, we click Create. At this point, the backend steps in and enforces monetization. Instead of the job going live right away, we're redirected to Stripe checkout. This is where employers need to pay before the post is published. We're using Stripe's standard payment flow here. So let's go ahead and click Pay $99, and there we go. Payment successful. If we open Stripe, we can see the transaction reflected immediately. Clear proof that this app has a real revenue loop, and inside the employer dashboard, we can see total jobs posted, applications received, views, and total spend. Employers get their own dashboard where they can manage job listings, track payments, and control their posts. Job seekers also have their own space, where they can browse jobs and apply easily. And this is what turns it into a real business. Not just a landing page, but a complete system. This is the full journey that Atoms enables, starting with deep research, moving into the backend, and ending as a real business. Iris validates the market, Emma defines the product, Bob designs the system, and Alex builds the app. What starts as just an idea turns into a live monetizable SaaS, powered by the Atoms Vibe business team and the Atoms backend. If you've got a SaaS or business idea just sitting in your head, you don't need to hire a full team just to test it anymore. You can head over to atoms.dev using the link in the description and try it yourself. And if you love seeing more tools like Atoms, make sure to hit subscribe to stay tuned. Well, that's it for now, Novas. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.